Good morning on the Monday, the 5th of December. Time for a new Bitcoin update. This is the daily chart. Interesting here to see is, when my doodle is in the right color, that we are heading towards that resistance. And yeah, quite an interesting situation. When I go to the 4-hour chart, let me explain what I was looking for. This move, A, B, C, take out these highs before possibly going more down. That is an opportunity, or we are already hitting a reversal zone. Well, let's say we do hit a reversal zone, which will lead to a reaction to the downside. Could be just a correction or continuation of the downtrend. Would be this ABC hitting the red box already on Bitcoin, but not yet on Ether. So I do think on the lower time frame that we are due for today, tomorrow maybe, a bit of a correction, then one more push into that red box, giving Ether the opportunity to reach that box also, and then a correction. And then I would say at least a correction to this level to take out this low, which didn't happen over the weekend. I still expect it to happen. If we do get this move and then a bounce, then I think we still go for 18,400. The move, I mean, with this move. But the warning here is if we drop like this, bearish retest here, then I do think we are in the bearish scenario already. Let me show you that by my Elliott wave chart, where we could go all the way down to 12K, meaning that we do have here leg number 1, leg number 2 already in place, and that we then start here. And that we do have here a bit of a messy first leg down. This is leg number 2 up as a correction, then 3, 4, 5, and that would be this move actually. That is the bearish case. Or we do 18,400 and then something like this, 2 over here. This is the more bearish approach, and that the second leg is already in place, and then it would mean that we already continue to the downside. For now, I would say a bit more up today, tomorrow, and then down. If we do have that move, 18,400 is still on the chart, on the table, or the bearish retest here, and then we continue lower. Ether is showing a nice liquidity area here. I do think therefore we need one more push higher also in Ether and reaching that box, and then a correction. Would align with what I'm showing in dollar already for a couple of weeks. We do have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I think that fifth leg is not completed yet. A bit more up today, tomorrow, and then one more down. That would be Bitcoin doing that final push higher, in my opinion. And then we have to be careful and look what is the dollar going to do. Is it going to bounce strong, regaining strength, and maybe even going for new highs? And this would be Bitcoin going to new lows. Interesting areas, price levels these days. Could take a bit longer. It's going pretty sluggish of late, but definitely something to be careful and not thinking that we go straight up from here. I do see some bears on the road.